guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here in my pickup truck, and today, just as you already saw, we'll talk about everything that is not good on the truck, everything that has to be fixed, or everything that's broken. And just as I say that, there's a rattle right here. You hear it? And that's frustrating. When there's a cup in there or a bottle, it does not do that. So I had the camera in it, it was quiet. I take the camera out, it rattled. So there we have one thing. Okay, let me find some spot to park and we'll get right into the video. And as always, I found a beautiful location here. Look at this. The truck, look at the mountains, some snow on there, beautiful. Someone hauling there in the old SUV. Okay, so number one, what needs to be done on this truck lays underneath here. It is the timing belt. You know, the timing belt has to be replaced. I am at 100 and I believe 38,000 miles. Ford recommends 150,000 to do it, but everyone tells me between 100,000 and 150,000 it has to be done. That doesn't make sense what I just said. Everyone tells me when it reaches about 100,000 miles you should consider changing the timing belt. So this is kind of a hard job. It has two belts, one on each side, and it's hard to get them in. So they quote between, I heard prices between $2,500 and $5,000. Some say even more. So I'll price it out and I'll see where I'm going. I know I'm not going to the Ford dealership because they're way too expensive for this repair, and then it's a diesel F-150, so they're probably not super experienced with this particular engine. It runs well, but I'm just doing it so it will keep running. Now this is the first generation of the Powerstroke for the 3-liter. Now the second one got a little bit updated, is a little bit better, but I have to deal with what I have. So I have this one and I'm gonna fix it because I love the truck. It's a good vehicle. Okay, that was the first thing that has to be done, and it's not broken, but it has to be done. Let's walk around the body here. Look at the body of the truck. Everything is decent. Let's open this right here. Here, this is the number 2. There's that step that should fold out so you can climb up, and there's a pole coming up so you can hold on to it. Not working. The button is stuck, and this should fold out and nothing works. So that needs to be fixed. Broken. What I'm gonna do is I will remove these screws here, and I'm looking inside, and I hope it's just jammed and I can fix it. So I really hope I can do that. If I do that, I'll do a video on it, so if someone else has the same issue, you can look at it and see what needs to be done. Number 3 is the bed here. Look, it's really scratched, and there's something ate into the paint there. It's just not good looking. Yeah, it's completely gone, the paint. So it's pretty you know, some lights, but I'm not sure they help. It's pretty rough. So that I need to have a couple options there. I just cover it up with a nice rubber bed floor cover, or I clean it and do all the necessary prep work, and I'll just spray paint it and clear coat it myself, or go somewhere and have a liner sprayed in. I don't know yet, you know. I think a liner sprayed in is a little bit pricey right now for the truck and for what I use it for, so I'll go within more cost-effective option. So I'll do something myself with it. I will do something myself with it. Let's keep it at that. So that has to be done, something that has to be fixed. But this definitely is broken, and that's a priority too. Okay, you know how tall that is? Can barely reach here. lock it, and then I have a key for that too. So there we go. That's 2 things that are broken or need to be done. 3 to be honest. We have scratches all around right there, little marks, a lot of, hey, this one here is big. See, it's like a little crater, and it sticks out. It's rough, so that's aluminum, and you can feel it that it is, and it's soft. So the paint definitely is not the best. So not broken, but not the best. Okay, so that's about it from the exterior. Everything else is decent, not broken. Let's look what's going on inside. This seat here, heated seat function does not work. So heated seats, you can turn them on, they do not work. They work at that seat, they work at the rear bench, but this one here does not work. So that's definitely broken. So needs to be fixed. We have some interior parts, see, like there where the paint is off, have the paint here off. So let's look at the back here. That's hating when it always locks. Okay, so you have scratches here and scuff marks, and really bad on that side. So whoever sat there, the kid who sat there before, first owner, messed that up. Thanks for that. So that's something needs to be touched up somehow. Now we have one repair already done. It's this roof here. There was a big crack all over, and I had that fixed, so that's fixed. And Ford did not adjust it right. It sat really low and the water was puddling up. They adjusted it again, and I think it's acceptable now. What do you think? I think it should be a little bit higher still, but I do think it's acceptable. So it's acceptable now, but yeah, that was broken and that got fixed. So there we have that. Let's get in here. It's a cold day. It feels colder than it is. It's 38 degrees, but it feels colder than it is. We have that, and then we have this rattle here. Whenever I have a cup in here or something laying in here, it's nice and quiet. If I take it out, this thing here rattles. That drives me nuts. So that needs to be taken care of. That's something that I can't live with. It's just too, yeah, rattles are not good. Then the headliner here, to see all the dark fingerprints, it's not broken, it has to be cleaned. So yeah, have to clean that. Once that's done, we are almost there, but not yet. See the front camera, I'll turn it on. Shows here, but does not show there, the 360 view. Can you see that with the sun? Let's see, there. It's hard to see. The 360 view, the front camera does not show. And I had it diagnosed, and they just played dumb, said they don't know what's not going and why. But that's not normal either. And sometimes you push on here, on the button, and the camera doesn't turn on at all. So something is fishy with that. Something is really weird. Now then there's something else, and I don't think it's broken. I think someone manipulated it. When you turn the start stop off manually, it stays off. You can turn your car off, you can turn it back on, start stop, stays off. And normally that shouldn't be that way. I'm not complaining, it's a nice feature if you don't like the start stop, but that shouldn't be that way. So really weird. So start stop stays off no matter what, no matter how many restarts of the vehicle, it always stays off. That is not normal. So not saying it's broken, but something is weird. And oh, I have something else. Let's go underneath here. Okay, see, that's the OBD2 connector right there, and look at this just hanging around. There's the original connector, and that's just hanging there, and I'm not sure why it is someone took it out and puts another one in, and they should have put zip ties on it to hold it, but it's just dangling around, and I'm not sure why someone would do that. I asked around a couple times, and could be that someone put an aftermarket GPS system or something, but it has a GPS, so I'm not sure what's going on there, and I'm not sure how to fix that yet. I think I'll throw the aftermarket out and I'll reattach the original one where it belongs. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm not sure yet. Since it's working fine this way, I don't want to make it worse, because I don't know what the previous owner did and why he did it. So you know what I mean. That's kind of a little bit of a tricky one right there. Everything else works on the truck. Everything else is good. The roof works too. I'm not using it, I don't like roofs, but it works. Oh, there's one weird thing. Let me open the shade here. Okay, and you see that there's different levels of tint. This is the new glass that Ford ordered. See, Ford Motor Company. That's the old one, and see there, Ford Motor Company. What's the difference? I can't tell. I was checking if someone tinted it. I don't feel tint on it. I don't feel the film on it. So I'm not sure what's going on there. That is very weird, don't you think? Very, very, very strange. So that's one thing I have yet to figure out what's going on there. But it doesn't bug me, because I leave this closed most times, and maybe I'll just have someone tint it dark. I think that's a good idea. Some say you shouldn't tint roof glass, it would crack because it attracts the heat. Is that true? I don't know. Anyways, guys, a lot of talk here, and we'll just close the video now because we're done. That's all that needs to be fixed on my truck, or needs to be done. Everything that's not good I covered in this video. So if you own an F-150, please share your thoughts and your comments. Tell me what you think. There's so much I can do with this truck. I can fix the paint, I can buy new wheels, I can put bigger tires on it. There's a lot I can do. So I will do some stuff one step after the other, though. The most important is the engine. I will have that fixed, well, not fixed, but the time belt replaced, and I will work on the truck bed myself, and I'll fix that step too. So those are the important things that I will do with this truck. Everything else will just follow after, and I'm always open for ideas and criticism as well, you know. Tell me what you think, tell me what I should do. Also in the interior, tell me what I should do here. I don't particularly like that fake wood here. I like wood in vehicles, but that fake wood here, it's not my I want to say my favorite. Favorite. It's not my favorite, to be honest. So yeah, share your thoughts. Tell me what you think. And I don't have a big truck community on my channel, since this is the first truck that I show on my channel. I had trucks before, and this is the first one that I'm showing on the channel, so don't have too many truck people that come here, but that's all right, you know. I'm thankful for everyone that watches and everyone that supports my channel. So that being said, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I can't talk today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it. You like my videos, leave me a comment. I can use all the support that I can get. So up 40 miles an hour, let's slow down, especially on YouTube. I'm not in Mexico or somewhere, so, and yeah, so I gotta be careful and follow the law here. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend, have a wonderful day, and come back soon. Thanks for your support.